What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy CarolinaStylez, and I am back with another video. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We back with another one. I'm probably gonna bring y'all about 2 or 3 videos a week now. If it's gonna be like a YouTube short or 2 YouTube shorts or a YouTube video or 2, you get the picture. I will be bringing y'all consistent content from now on. We're not slacking no more. I got the motivation that I needed, and even though I got a very busy schedule, but in order to reach your dreams, you gotta work hard for them, man. You gotta grind, you gotta be successful, and that's what we on. So anyway, go ahead and put the Rocklights on here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all which brand that I'm actually using, and we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, get it how we get it. So let me go ahead and show you what brand that I got. Alright, so these are the Rocklights that I got for the Yukon here. They actually came off of Amazon. I'll let y'all read the specs right here. Waterproof, easy install, universal fit, all that good stuff, multicolors. This box right here, 12 pod, they really wasn't expensive at all. So we're gonna try these out and see what they is. You know, I'm still to that point where y'all can build your dream vehicle on a budget, but not a full budget. But this right here is a budget selection. If you want to get Rocklights, there wasn't nothing but like $60 something on eBay, on Amazon. You know, it comes with, I already opened the box though, but it comes with the instructions and all of that. It comes with the power and the negative, and you got a little fuse box right here, and you got a actual button to cut them on and cut them off right here too, which is dope to me. You got a lot of excess wires, and then you got the pods at the bottom. So let me go ahead and grab the pods real quick so I can show y'all that. All right, so these are the pods that comes with them. So it will be 12 of these. I'm doing 3 underneath the wheel well. So it's, of course, it's going to be probably 1 right here, 1 back there, and 1 probably right here. I can't really do it like I want to because these liners don't come all the way out, but the back ones do. So it's probably gonna be in the back. It's probably gonna be 1 right here, 1 right there, and probably 1 right there. You'll be able to see them, but it is what it is. So without further ado, let me go ahead and take these liners off. Go ahead and grab my drill the holes, and start bolting them on. Alright, so I got the first one out. See, I got my drill, got the bolts, and I got 3 out of 12 pods right here. Now it's time to get to work. Alright, we got 1 on so far. Anyway, we got 1 on so far. Gotta put 2 more on. And basically, I'll pick y'all back up once I got everything on. And once I got all these 3 on. And then I'll continue the process after that. And then I'll show y'all the end result. So y'all stay tuned for the end result. Alright. So, yeah, I done start. And that's gonna be in the video. So I skip a couple steps. But I got them all hooked up. I got them all wired up. And we might ride on purple tonight. So it's 3 of them in each real well. Shout out to Cuz for holding the lights for me. Say what up, Cuz.
Exactly.
You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it.
Nah, I want to do it, bro. This shit ain't coming.
Hey, man. So I'm going to put the camera down, go ahead and finish this real quick. And then probably another day I'll put the kill switch on there. Probably put it on there Thursday. But they got a little button I can press to kill it. But yeah, I'll show y'all how it look in the nighttime. Once I get out my meeting, I got to wash, bro. I'm dirty. Cuz a little dirty too, but my shoes clean though. Them just fresh. Just fresh.
That's for sale, too. Anything for sale. Whole fit for sale.
Let me put this camera down and pick it back up when I'm done, man. All right, it's a little darker, so let me see. We put it on white. Matter of fact, like Cuz, so let me put it on purple for royalty. You feel me? Yeah, so that's the end result of her. She look pretty good, man. She look pretty good. These Rocklights right here, they got 8 different colors. They got white, blue, green. Ooh, that green fire though. Red, orange, yellow, green, and of course that royalty. And they go by the music and stuff too. But we just gonna keep it on purple. Anyway, y'all see how she is. I got a meeting to go to. Dirty. Super dirty. But cuz make it. Anyway, man, this your boy CarolinaStylez. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Come rock with the Styles King. I'm a man. Oh, I'm a man. Hands are dirty. Automatically, you feel me? Anyway, come rock with the Styles Gang. You know my slogan. You know how I get down. We got more bangers, more videos dropping. And just stay tuned, man. We got a lot of stuff on the way. A lot of stuff on the way. Anyway, this your boy CarolinaStylez over there with Cuzzo in the background. Signing out. Peace.